Why does your scanner show the P0068 engine code? And what does it mean? The P0068 engine code stands for Manifold Absolute Pressure, or Mass Airflow Sensor Throttle Position Correlation. The P0068 engine fault code indicates that the manifold absolute pressure, or mass airflow sensor, has readings that contradict the readings from the throttle position sensor. In this situation, your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty sensors, dirty or clogged components, vacuum leaks, wiring issues, other issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles. The P0068 engine error code can occur in many vehicles with OBD2 systems, including those made by Ford, Jaguar, Toyota, Mazda, Subaru, and Chevy vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.